Here is my room, 401.
Hello mga ka-fab! Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another exciting staycation vlog episode here at You Are Jelsonified. I'm back again in Bangkok, Thailand for another hotel staycation review guide. I'm here at Samyan Serene Hotel, Bangkok. So I just checked in. It's past 7 p.m. already. Let's do a quick ayan, so this is the toilet, and what I like in here, there's already a clean towels available. Ayan, meron na siyang things that you can use, my bidet, and of course definitely my hot and cold shower. Yan, there, it's clean, I would say. So this is the toilet and bath. Pagpasok mo may mirror, and when you step in, there is this my mineral water, of course my a coffee and a little decor, and my fridge. Naka-on naman na siya, number 5 na siya. There you go, maximize natin. Medyo spacious may cabinet. There you go. There. Yan. So, wala pang laman. So, of course, ano to? Parang may Imarflex on natin. Ano? Parang air something. A humidifier. And of course, my aircon. And that's how it looks like. Yan. Ang ganda. And parang meron kang sariling office table. And ang gusto ko nito is parang I feel like you are sala. You can make tambay-tambay here. And what's nice is, oh, it has its own. Hindi ko lang kung ma-open to. Hala. Meron siyang terrace, parang balcony. Oh, nice. I love it. And there you can see the streets of Bangkok. Explore natin yan definitely. Ayan. Pasok tayo ulit dito sa room natin. Medyo mainit na yun Medyo mainit na yung Bangkok. What else? So parang merong drawer. May pa-lampshade. Ano sabi dito? Check out time 12 p.m. You can order, of course, the famous Thai milk tea. Ano pa? Cute nitong decor na to. Very cute. Though dito, you can see it. And di mo na siya makita. Yan. So, ito pala yung aircon. Okay. I-configure natin yan later. Check natin yung TV nila. Ayan. So, smart TV pala to. Okay. So, ayan. Oops. And for now, mag-YouTube na lang muna tayo. So, ano mga ka-fab? Please keep on watching. Come join along with me and be part of my hotel staycation adventure here at Samyan Serene Hotel here in Bangkok. So hopefully you'll know now when you can include one of your option, the Samyan Hotel, if you given a chance to visit Bangkok in the future. So, ano pa hinihintay? Mag-subscribe na po and keep on watching. Mga ka-fab, 8:45, actually 8:30 pa lang. Labas muna tayo, nagugutom ako eh. And papakita ko na rin sa inyo kung pwedeng makakainan dito nearby areas. So that's what I'm gonna do now, is just to explore and check kung may malapit ba na malls dito or what. We'll see. Let's check it out. Let's go, go, go! Medyo haggard na tayo mga ka-fab, pero nakatulog-tulog tayo sa plane. We're able to recoup and refuel our energies and some interesting places here. So, ayan, ito na yung hotel natin. Samyan Serene Hotel. Katabi siyang beauty salon. Medyo wala masyadong action, pero tingnan natin baka sa dulo. This is Sea Freya Road. Another boutique. Tunan natin si ate, yung dalawang babae na yun, kasi lumiko sila dyan. Baka may interesting places dyan, tingnan natin. Let's cross. And nakatawid na tayo mga ka-fab. Oh, may nakita akong hostel. Pangalan niya Everyday Bangkok Hostel. My gosh, amoy na amoy ko yung marijuana dito. So second hand marijuana smoking ako. Oh, ayan. Importante, may malapit na 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven ba to? Yes. Confirmed. May nakita ko mga kainan, mga ka-fab, yung mga local na kainan. Yung parang mga gilid-gilid na turo-turo na mga kainan. Ito nga na nga mga ka-fab, diba? Naglakad na tayo ng lakad. Dumiretso na lang tayo ng dumiretso, tapos lumiko tayo. Nag-iba na yung vibe, dumami na yung mga restaurants. Ayan na, yan. So that's Pullman Hotels. Nako, nakailang 7-Eleven na ako nakita ha. So talagang the land of 7-Eleven, the capital, 7-Eleven capital of the world. Mga ka-fab, bumalik tayo back to our hotel. I just wanna show you ang hotel natin outside. Ayan, ang ganda. And kasi nag-Google Map tayo mga ka-fab, we're trying to look for Chamchuri Square. Sana bukas pa naman yung mall na yon as of this very hour. So yun ang goal natin, makarating dyan. Okay, see you later. Ayan, yun parang crossing nila. I think this is the crossing area where it intersects everything. And may mga restos na naman dito. Ay, ayan yung Samyan Meter Town. It's a mall. Ang kulay, no? Very colorful. Parang Buddha yata itong area na to. Oh, it's a Buddha. It's a Buddhist temple, I guess. Itong area na to parang bentahan ng mga sweepstakes nila. At mga mangukula na rin. Parang, I think this is parang Quiapo. No?
Sharp left.
Ayan, oh. And guess what? Their MRT station, which is the Samyan Station. O, diba? By foot lang yun na-discover natin itong mga interesting places na to. Pagdating natin from Manila to Bangkok. Rampa na agad, explore na agad, modeling na agad. Finally, nahanap na rin natin itong Chamchuri Square na to. Tara, puntahan na natin. Let's go!
Turn left.
But the question is, how to go there on the other side? Saan ako magko-cross? Tanong-tanong na lang tayo. Okay. Alam ko na. Kasi merong exit dito na area. Gusto mo punta dyan, gamitin mo yung MRT para doon ka mag-exit sa kabila for you to reach Chamchuri Square. $50 na lang mga ka-fabo. เขาปกติง่ายก็อยู่เลยเวลาตลอดบอกว่าปก
Parang
ติก็อยู่เลย
75, 85 pesos. Mura lang, no? Tingnan mo, ganun siya kadami.
ใช่
50 baht lang. Sana all. Ang ganda kasi may lusutan. May underground walkway. Ang ganda. Ibang vibe. Kasi last time natin napapunta, na-explore na gamit talaga natin yung BTS train. But now, I wanna explore, you know, touring around using MRT train. Pero parang pasara na. Sana may makakainan pa tayo. Wala na, oh. Magsasara na. Kala ko ba hanggang 11:30 PM? Sarado na mga ka-fab. Usually, ang mga malls naman dito nagsasara around 10, 11, I think. Pero, I don't know, maaga sila nagsara today. At least napunta natin to Jamcheori Square. Maliit lang siya na mall. Ang ganda, oh. Kain po. Mura dito, ha, in fairness. Dito sa Paranakam boat noodle.
A few moments later. The following day.
Ang mura ng food nyo.
The following day.
Wake up call. Hello. Thank you. Okay, okay. There you go, mga ka-fab. Good morning. I just woke up like this. Let's wake up. And of course, good morning here at Bangkok. Staying here at Samyan Serene Hotel. And let's find out. When I bought this accommodation, it includes a meal. So that's what we're going to cover now. So tara, breakfast tayo. Don't forget to bring this breakfast coupon, and you need to present this to the person downstairs so you can eat your breakfast and claim your breakfast, by the way. Let's eat, mga ka-fab. Pakita muna natin kung anong mga menu nila for today. That's right, may ham, may sausage, and chicken, vegetable sauté. You can request for omelette, right, or sunny side up. There's alugaw, and there's fried rice. Of course, my juice, water, and fruits. Mabait naman si ate. My mom. She's very kind. She's very nice. Konti lang kumakain, as you can see. I think it's 7:45, 9. Kain na? Okay na to? Kain na? Hello. I can't enter my room.
Okay.
Why? Yeah. Okay, 12:30 daw. Late checkout. Binigyan ako ng 30 minutes.
Nag-expire lang daw yung card, pero inayos naman ni ate. Very nice naman sila and accommodating. Tingnan natin kung gagana ulit. Okay, inayos na ni ate. We can come inside. Welcome back to my room. In a bit kasi mag-check out na tayo, guys. So, I'll show you the checkout process. Mas madali lang naman. Thank you so much for watching, mga ka-fab. Hope you enjoyed our stay here together here in Samyan Serene, Bangkok. I would say I would recommend this place because ang lapit niya sa sa MRT, Samyan MRT, lapit niya sa two malls such as Chumchuri and Samyan MITR. And kung kaya nyo pang maglakad, ang lapit na din pala niya, mga 350 meters sa sa NBK. Definitely enjoyed my stay here. Yun lang yung breakfast, medyo limited lang yung option, but okay na because ang ganda naman ng lugar. Tignan mo, laki ng I have a very spacious room. So mag-check out na tayo, mga ka-fab. So if you're not yet part of my channel, please subscribe para you get the idea where to stay in certain places. And of course, you are part of my hotel staycation adventures, not just here in the Philippines, but all over the world, sabi nga nila. And as always, don't forget to embrace life, not just beautifully, but fabulously. Thank you, mga ka-fab. Kap kun kap on my next hotel staycation adventures. Checking out.
Okay ka. Just moment.
Yes. Goodbye, Samyan Serene Hotel.